It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make a variety of arts and crafts with colored pasta. This is pasta that you can dye with food coloring, and I have a separate video about that. Once you have your colored pasta, you can use it to make collages. You can use them for drawing prompts. You can use them to make sculptures. You can press them into clay, such as air dry clay or regular clay, to make designs, and you can also press them into Play-Doh. You'll need different materials for the different crafts, and I will cover each of those separately. For pasta collage, you will want sturdy paper or cardstock or cardboard or a paper plate. You'll need a bottle of glue, and you'll need an assortment of colored pasta shapes. Simply glue the pasta shapes onto the cardstock in any way, picture, design, mandala, face, etc. that you like. For a sculpture, you can start with a base of air dry clay or a base of wood and add a pipe cleaner or multiple pipe cleaners plus the pasta. You can press the pasta into air dry clay. You can also string the pasta along the pipe cleaners and twist the pipe cleaners together, loop them, anything you like to create an abstract sculpture or a sculpture of something more realistic. You can create pasta necklaces and bracelets and ornaments by stringing pasta along pipe cleaners or yarn. And you can use pasta shapes to make designs in clay or Play-Doh. You can press the different pasta shapes into either air dry clay or regular clay or Play-Doh and then lift them back out to leave interesting designs and pictures. Or you can leave the pasta shapes in the air dry clay to create a different kind of picture with the pasta intact. To use pasta as drawing prompts, simply glue one or more pieces of pasta to paper and then draw around it with a pen or marker, adding details or expanding on the pasta shape and turning it into anything you like.
It's time to create.